Hello guys, it is July 17th, makes this ride number 49 I believe, and it's pouring rain pretty good. It's about 10:15 in the evening. There's some pretty good lightning over to the east. Of course, now that I'm recording it'll probably all stop. Anyway, probably just gonna do a real quick one tonight because I don't feel like getting soaked out here for one thing, and also I want to get to bed pretty quick so I can try to get up early enough to ride to work in the morning. I'll see if we can catch one lightning bolt over there. Yep, as I suspected, as soon as I start recording, lightning stops. Oh, that was probably perfectly right behind the tree, so I probably didn't get that one. There you go. All right, I'm putting the phone down. All right, guys, 598 makes 11. Let's see if I can drag myself back out of bed in 6 hours and get a morning ride tomorrow. Have a good night.